On today's Designing Spaces, advice from the experts on making the right product choices for your kitchen. Need to update your home's outside appearance? Consider low-maintenance siding solution. State-of-the-art touchpad technology can really take your home security into the digital age. How to create water features. They can make for an impressive focal point of any outdoor space. And purify your life. The latest technology ensuring the tap water in your home is the healthiest and purest it can be. Time to get designing.
We just updated this kitchen using the hot trend of matte black. We swapped out the light fixtures, the faucet, and the hardware to completely transform the space. Matte black is timeless, but it's also modern, which is exactly what the homeowners were going for. I really love how the black just really pops against the white and just for that classic combination. And then I brought in touches of wood, tying in the pendants to the stools just to really warm it up. It's just amazing how a few simple changes can completely change the look of a space.
So when this project came to me, they told me they wanted to update their lighting, their kitchen faucet, and their cabinet hardware. And when customers are replacing existing fixtures, there's a few things that I want to make sure they're considering. I want them to be considering the size and scale of the space, the existing electrical connections, and the overall style. For their pendants, they wanted to go with a dual finish, and I was able to narrow down a selection from build.com so that they were able to pick the perfect lights for their space. For their faucet, they told me they wanted a pull down. And I know they like to cook, so I was able to suggest this unique, chef-inspired pre-rinse faucet. It was the finish they were looking for, and it makes a great statement piece in their kitchen. Next, we went to the cabinet hardware, which was able to tie the whole style of the kitchen together. Because no matter what you're working on, Build.com has everything you need to bring your project to life.
When Richard and Mary Louise of suburban Virginia decided it was time to boost their home's curb appeal, they did what all smart, budget-minded homeowners do. They did their research.
Oh wow, what a variety of colors.
That'll help the resale value too.
We've had some issues with the house where high winds have caused the siding to peel away from the house in some spaces. And I admit, it looked bad. It needed work.
I could just stand in the middle of this room and just feel the windy days coming through the walls.
So we called Home Fix to come out and give us a demonstration and show us the various products that they had. And the Ascend from Alside really stuck out.
Alside's Composite Cladding is the brand Richard and Mary Louise choose for their home. The company's Dave Wise explains why, for many homeowners, it's today's best, most affordable cladding choice.
Mary Louise and Richard, when they were looking at replacing their siding, they evaluated a lot of different options, fiber cement, engineered wood, vinyl siding, and ultimately they landed on our Ascend Composite Cladding because of the value that it created for them, the lifetime warranty, the ease of install, and the upgrade that they'll receive to the look and the beauty of their home, which will also increase their home property value.
So what led us to select Ascend by Alside was the high R value and the long warranty, because that's going to add so much resale value to the house.
The neighbors came up and were amazed at how much difference this is. They love the siding.
Yeah?
Yes.
Does it look good?
It's looking really good.
Yes, it really
You heard good
looks-
feedback?
Yes, the neighbors have all come up and knocked on the door and said, what a wonderful job you've done.
Yeah. It's like a new house.
It really is.
Yeah, it's great.
We told our children you won't recognize the house when you come in.
Pull in the wrong driveway.
Exactly.
Usually homeowners like Mary Louise and Richard, when they decide to replace the siding on their home, they could choose between Ascend siding or fiber cement. Most homeowners go with Ascend siding, mainly because it's a more cost-effective price tag, it lasts forever, and it provides energy efficiency. It also installs really fast and really easy. We can do twice as many jobs in half as much time. From a homeowner advantage, we could be in and out and disrupt their lives as little as possible.
I was just amazed at how fast you put this up. I thought it would take a week.
Yeah, we'll be out of here by the end of the day. It's a much faster install, much quicker, much easier. less hassle for you guys. And literally 2 days, finishing touches on the 3rd, and we're out of here.
Ascend Cladding from Alside is engineered to outperform at every level. Homeowners across America are enjoying realistic wood grain appearance, solid feel, and low maintenance. No sealing or touch-up painting required. And with its industry-leading lifetime warranty, Ascend is the cladding that simply keeps on giving.
We're about 5 or 10 years away from the kids all being out. And, you know, our retirement plan is sell everything, buy an RV, and move around while we can. And the kids can't move back in if they don't know where we are.
What the guys are installing today that you hear in the background is our 7-inch Ascend composite plank. This product that we engineered at Alside, never before in the industry is a product have this real wood look. So they have the look of real wood painted siding without the maintenance and the cost associated with it.
All right, we're almost there. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow. It's so much different.
It really
this is
does.
Great.
Yeah, I love the way it turned out.
Yes, thank you, honey.
For that just installed real wood look for years to come, better, longer lasting beauty, and a lifetime of minimal maintenance, now is the time to ascend to Ascend. For more information or to find an authorized Ascend Cladding Alside distributor near you, visit ascendcompositecladding.com. And to view this segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv. Thomas and Lisa have just moved into a new house. They have 2 young children, pets, and Lisa runs a home business, a hair salon out of the house.
So what are we doing today? Just a trim? I was just on Facebook earlier. Did you hear about the break-in down the street the other day?
Home security is of the utmost importance to them.
So I just moved into this house and I travel quite a bit. You know, I have my girlfriend, the kids, and pets. I just want to make sure that everybody's protected.
Thomas and Lisa are looking to bring their new home into the latest era of security and connectivity.
So in addition to the security, I was also interested in home automation, which actually gives me the ability to control my lights, locks, and maybe even my thermostat.
Oh, and what about the camera?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the camera. So I also would like to check on the app and take a look at when the kids come home or when they're leaving, or maybe if we get a package at the door.
Which is why they've decided to meet with a representative for ADT, here to give them the 411 on how they can make their new home smarter, safer, and more secure.
Okay, I want to show you guys some of the stuff that we're going to be installing today. So we'll start with what's most important, and that's keeping your family safe and secure, right? We've got what we call a shock detector here. What the shock detector does is it goes off whether the door or window is opened or closed, or if somebody hits it to try to break it. So stops the bad guy before he's in your home, which is really important to us. This is a glass break detector. We'll put this in a room with a lot of windows, and what this will do is it'll listen for the sound of breaking glass. So should somebody shatter a window to try to get in, it will dispatch the police. On top of that, we've got some life safety devices. This here is our monitored smoke detector. On top of that, we also have a carbon monoxide detector. If you're sleeping, if you're awake, if you're here, if you're not here, just rest assured that the fire department will be dispatched if the alarm goes off.
Armed with a better understanding, Thomas and Lisa move forward with the installation, and the ADT technicians get to work.
So Thomas and Lisa decided that they wanted to put the main keypad right here. And this is the most important piece of the system. This one has all the brains in it to communicate with all the devices.
With the new system installed, Chris takes Thomas and Lisa for a tour of the system's new features.
Okay, we'll start here at the front door. We've got our smart door lock. This will give you full control of your front door from the phone app, from a computer, from your control panel, or from the keypad itself right here. Not only can you lock it and unlock it from the phone app remotely, but we can set up automations to happen like when you arm the system before you leave, it will automatically lock the door. Should there be a fire or carbon monoxide emergency, we can set this up to not only unlock the front door when the alarm goes off, but we can also have one of these light modules connected to a lamp ramp in the home, so it will turn on a light and unlock the door so the fire department can get in easily, and if you're alerted by the alarm, you can wake up and see what's going on and you can get out of the home quickly. And then we've got our ADT doorbell camera right here, so this will let you know exactly who's coming and going from the home. It'll get you those video clips when anytime someone presses the button or walks in front of the camera, and it'll allow you to talk to anyone who's standing on your porch. Back here is where we did the exterior camera.
What kind of range does this camera have back here?
It'll take a look at your whole backyard, and we can pick certain zones that we want to monitor motion in. And anytime it sees motion in that area, it will record a clip and send you an alert.
Oh, cool.
So that covers the outside. Let's go take a look at what we did inside. This is a wireless infrared motion detector, and the reason why we call it the second line of defense is should somebody get through your perimeter protection on your windows or your doors, it's going to cover this whole area. And if somebody passes through, it's going to activate the alarm.
What about my cat Lenny? Would he set off the motion detector?
It will ignore any pet that's under 80 pounds, so I think you should be good unless Lenny has an eating issue. This is your smart thermostat, and the great thing about this thermostat is we can set it to a schedule, or you can control it from your app on your phone. All right, we're almost done. We just have one more thing to do, and that's your indoor camera. So I know the two of you arm wrestled over the location, so why don't you tell me where we're gonna put it?
We're gonna put it right here on the mantle.
Looks like there's an electrical outlet back there, so we can set it like somewhere about right there. And the great thing is if you ever decide you want to put it somewhere else, you just unplug it and move it, and it's wireless except for that power cord. When you're not using your mobile app, this is probably where you'll be controlling your system. Your ADT Command touchscreen, which is the brains of the entire system.
Well, Chris, definitely thank you for all the work you put in today. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
So Chris and the crew came over today and they installed some of the newest smart home equipment from ADT Protect Your Home. And I gotta admit, I'm feeling pretty protected.
And I have peace of mind knowing that when Thomas is traveling, that the kids and I will be safe, and I'm looking forward to using the equipment.
We built a really cool system that was designed around their lifestyle, and I can tell that they're really excited to start using it. And I feel great because I know they're gonna be safe and secure for a really long time.
For more information on how ADT can help make your home smarter, safer, and more secure, visit protectyourhome.com or visit designingspaces.tv.
Keeping your outdoor space beautiful is a constant labor of love. As you can see, I've been working on this pond for quite some time now, and one of the final touches is to put these rocks back in place. For projects like this, I love to use Great Stuff Pond and Stone. It helps adhere the rocks together and direct the flow of water. Before you use any Great Stuff, you need to have on your eye protection, your gloves, and your long sleeve shirt. Now that our rocks are in place, our smart dispenser is attached, you shake the can for 60 seconds. Simply flip the can upside down, pull the trigger, and you're ready to go. This new Great Stuff Smart Dispenser is super awesome because it no longer drips, and it really allows for a bead that's much more even. You can also notice the foam is black in color, so it blends into the surrounding environment of these stones and will create a really pretty aesthetic for your pond. Once you've applied all your foam, all you have to do is let it cure. Great Stuff Pond and Stone is cost effective, easy to use, plant and fish safe, and will keep your pond looking beautiful for years. And with the new Smart Dispenser, you can reuse Great Stuff for up to 30 days, it doesn't drip, and it's a more precise application. To see the whole product lineup and learn just how versatile the Great Stuff family is, visit us at greatstuff.com and follow us on Facebook. You can also find us on designingspaces.tv.
Water, essential to all life. Like the air we breathe, living without it is impossible. What flows from our faucets, even pricey bottled water, falls short of achieving optimal health and longer, more fulfilling lives. All water is not created equal. Designing Spaces visited South Florida and some active adults who walk the walk and talk the talk, where drinking and even showering with quality water is a way of life. Meet Daryl and Gabby, two young adults with a passion for healthy living.
For me personally, I think that health is our greatest wealth. And so one of the greatest things that I can do with my time is to make sure that I am not only maintaining but living a preventative lifestyle so that I can enjoy life in all the ways that I want to for a very long time.
Great health is number one. It's the foundation of life for me, number one.
I maintain my health by doing practices such as yoga, mindfulness meditations, I eat well, and I drink Kangen water.
I'm vegan, so I look for the best quality products that I can get on the farmer's market. And when it comes to water, live water, Kangen water, for example, is the best quality water I've been able to find. It's a live water. It really hydrates my body, so it maintains my great health.
Daryl and Gabby's healthy lifestyle touches everything they do. From walks in the Florida outdoors to in-studio yoga sessions.
I discovered Kangen water when I went to a girlfriend's house and she served me some, and I thought, this is so delicious. I mean, it tasted so smooth, just like silk. And I started asking questions, I learned about the health benefits, and I knew I had to have one for myself.
After a couple of years of doing water research, all the solutions I found did not meet my needs. So to be able to have the super hydrating power of alkaline, antioxidant water, and my body's really thanking me for that.
From gyms to offices to homes coast to coast, bottled water is everywhere. With 50 billion bottles sold annually, negatively impacting not just our bodies, but the planet, ocean, landfill, and waterway. It's the impact to our personal health that may be the biggest threat of all.
As I started doing my research, I learned that bottled water is actually just glorified tap water. Most of it has just been recycled, it's acidic, it's full of BPA, which we then ingest, whereas the Kangen, it's like having a natural spring water in my own home.
Since I got my Kangen machine, I haven't bought a single plastic bottle ever since, and I carry the freshest water available with me everywhere.
The old saying, the proof is in the pudding. So does the Kangen 8 pass the taste test?
Kangen water really came to my rescue because now I just feel so much more comfortable and confident about the water that I'm drinking. And not only that, but I feel comfortable about the water that I'm cooking with, that I'm juicing with. I know that I'm truly receiving the best.
Think of your skin as one giant sponge, absorbing nearly everything it comes in contact with, including your shower and bath. Enter the Anespa DX.
Our skin is like a sponge. It absorbs everything. So I use the Anespa because it helps to eliminate chlorine and it also adds other minerals. It's like having a Japanese hot spring in your own home. The same great feeling that I receive when I'm drinking the water is what I'm experiencing in the shower with the Anespa. It's a bit different, but it's made from the same great Japanese company. And while I'm showering, I really feel like I'm in a hot spring. My skin feels refreshed, I feel rejuvenated, my hair feels great, there's no smell in the water, and I step out there just feeling like a whole new person.
From kitchen to bath and all the living we do in between, Kangen water is changing the way America works and lives. To get additional information on where to find Enagic's life-changing technology for your family's good health, or how to join the Enagic team as a distributor in your local area, visit enagic.com. And to view this segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.